I chose EHOVE because it has night classes. I work during the day full time, and it was more so in my availability to be able to take classes at night and still work during the day. So we learn people skills, how to talk to people, introduce yourself, how to draw people's blood and everything, but also how to be comfortable doing it and flow through it without hurting someone. What are you doing here?
Blood culture, venipuncture.
We learn like how to do PPE and hand washing skills and basic but necessary hygiene things to not spread infection or bacterial diseases or any of that.
I came to EHOVE because it is a way I can further my career, and also it's pretty close to home. I only live maybe 20 minutes away.
Some of the skills we learn here are the routine venipuncture, the butterfly, the syringe, the heel stick for babies, and glucose poking. The thing I like most about working with my instructor is we have a small class, so it's more hands-on. It's nice that you can get that one-on-one time with your instructor. This is my instructor, Miss Berkey.
Hi.
You should come to EHOVE because of the flexibility with a busy schedule. Your future, your career.